Hanover Man captured 8 years after being on the run, passed away in jail days after being arrested. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information.
Welcome back and
Links
thanks for joining us.
007
This is
TV
Links
News
007
Report.
TV News Report. A man who was captured by the Hanover police after eluding them for 8 years has passed away in jail. According to information reaching Links 007 TV News, the 53-year-old Eric Legacy Clark died on Wednesday. There are unconfirmed reports that he was involved in an altercation with other prisoners. Clark was taken into custody last week Tuesday. He had been on the parish most wanted list in connection with a murder committed in the rural community of Cash Hill in the parish in 2014. Despite living in the same area, Clark had managed to elude the police officers on numerous occasions. While on the run, it is said that he was a threat to females in the area. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide it more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.